Okay, if your keyboard stand does this every time you play, we need to talk. I just got a new stand that fixes literally every annoying thing about the cheap ones. And I'm going to show you the whole thing, unboxing, setup, everything in about 4 minutes.
And I'd like to thank AODISK for sending this to me so I can do this video.
Okay, so it looks like we have our instructions, wood panel, wood panel, wood panel, hardware, wood panel. This is going to be the feet. First thing I noticed, these panels are thick, like real premium wood, not the thin particle board you usually see. You can already tell just picking it up that this thing isn't going to feel flimsy. That solid wood construction is really the whole point of this stand. It's built to actually hold weight without flexing. I wish I had this stand back in the day when I was on the road. The setup is honestly pretty simple. You're just connecting the panels into the frame. And the back panel, this reinforced piece back here, that's the part doing the heavy lifting. Literally, it's designed specifically for heavier portable pianos. So once it's together, there's basically no wobble, no side to side shake, no front to back rock. It just sits there, solid. It took me start to finish about 15 minutes. No extra tools needed at all. Just a little hint, the screwdriver that came with it was showing a flathead screwdriver on the end, and all the screws were Phillips head. It's interchangeable. Pull it out, turn it around, and you got Phillips head. A few details I really like. First, it's adjustable width. See this? It slides to fit different keyboard sizes, so whether you've got a compact 61 key or a full-size digital piano, it's going to fit snug instead of loose. Second, check out these little pads right here where the keyboard actually rests. Those are rubber pads, so your keyboard's finish doesn't get scratched up sitting on bare wood. And down at the bottom, same idea, non-slip pads on the base. So the whole stand stays planted. It's not going to scuff up your floors either. So let's actually put it to the test. No wobble, feels rock solid. Now for reference on the sizing, this stand is about 25 inches tall, just under 46 inches long, and the width adjusts anywhere from about 8.5 to 12 inches. So it fits most portable digital pianos out there. Now the two questions I know you're going to ask, can it hold a heavy keyboard? Yes. That reinforced back panel and the solid wood build are specifically designed for heavier portable pianos. So it's made for exactly this. And the weight capacity, it's rated up to 50 pounds. Now I've been a professional musician on the road most of my life until I retired, and I've went through a lot of keyboards. So let me give you an idea of the different weights of different keyboards. Now if you have a 61 key portable keyboard, it could be anywhere from 8 to 15 pounds. A 76 key keyboard is around 15 to 25 pounds, and then the next two I've used a lot when I was on the road. The 88 key digital piano with weighted keys, and it runs anywhere from 25 to 50 pounds. And then you have the professional stage piano with 88 weighted keys, and that's about 35 to 55 pounds. So that last one, the professional on stage keyboard, is pushing your boundaries a bit, so I would make sure before you take it out on the road with you. So if you're tired of a stand that shakes every time you hit a chord, this one's sturdy. It adjusts to fit your keyboard, will hold up to 50-pound keyboard, and it protects both your instrument and your floors. Links down below if you want to grab one for yourself. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps, and I hope to see you again.